So students, now the next topic is hierarchy of sciences. Now hierarchy of sciences is related to the law of three stages. जो हमने कल किया था, the law of three stages, whereby I have discussed the theological stage, metaphysical stage and the positive stage. जो hierarchy of sciences है, that is related to these three laws. The next is that each subject which has been taken up in the hierarchy, it evolves from general simple level to highly complex level. जैसे कि law of three stages में first stage is the general simple stage and then it evolves to the highly complex level. वैसे ही जो hierarchy का क्या मतलब होता है? Hierarchy means order. Hierarchy means an arrangement, one above the other. तो उसने अगस्ट कॉम्प ने साइंसेस की एक अरेंजमेंट, एक ऑर्डर दिखाया है जो कि फ्रॉम सिंपल लेवल टू हाईली कॉम्प्लेक्स लेवल तक पहुंचाया है. उस अरेंजमेंट को उसने एक्सप्लेन किया है through these four principles. Now, before discussing these four principles which explain the hierarchical arrangement of the sciences, I'll show you the hierarchical arrangement made by Auguste Comte. So this is the hierarchy of sciences according to Auguste Comte. सबसे पहले बेस पे उसने रखा है मैथमेटिक्स, देन एस्ट्रोनॉमी, देन फिजिक्स, then chemistry, then biology, and then sociology. Now, this hierarchy of sciences is based on these four principles. The first is that it is based on the order of their historical emergence and development. So, सबसे पहले किस डिसिप्लिन का ओरिजिन हुआ? मैथमेटिक्स का. उसके बाद एस्ट्रोनॉमी का, उसके बाद फिजिक्स का, केमिस्ट्री का, बायोलॉजी का और फिर सोशियोलॉजी का. एज वी ऑल नो दैट सोशियोलॉजी इज नोन एज वन ऑफ द यंगेस्ट ऑफ सोशल साइंसेस. So it has a recent origin. Yeah. So this is based on the historical emergence and development of the sciences. Then the order of dependence upon each other. Now this hierarchy is based on the order of dependence upon each other. Means this discipline the origin of astronomy depends upon the origin of mathematics. Physics depends upon astronomy. Chemistry depends upon physics. Biology depends upon chemistry, and the origin of sociology depends upon understanding of biology. So, second principle is that the order of dependence upon each other. Thirdly, the decreasing degree of generality and the increasing degree of complexity of their subject matter. Now, as we move up the ladder, hierarchy में जैसे हम ऊपर जाते हैं, जो complexity है subject की वो increase होती है. This is more complex, then more complex subject, then more, and then the most complex. So there is increasing complexity but decreasing generality as we move up the ladder in the hierarchy. And the last one is the increasing degree of modifiability of the facts which they study. So the degree of modifiability of facts also increase as we move up the ladder in the hierarchy of sciences. So आपको hierarchy of sciences में पहले याद रखना है that it is related to the law of three stages. और जैसे जैसे हम hierarchy में ऊपर जाते हैं, it moves from general simple level to highly complex level. Then these are the four principles on which the hierarchy is based, and this is the diagram of the hierarchy of sciences. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you for listening.